Road Dog Rivez here in downtown Tonopah. Here's an old building that went out of business. I don't know what they were selling, but I'll buy it. I'll buy what they left behind. And so they put this sign up there, the Batman sign. TLC right here, Tonopah Liquor Company, home of the Whiskey 100 Club. And you go over here to this Sweet Poppy. This is a cool little place. It's a little shop of happy, and man, there's all kinds of cool stuff in there. So you're in Tonopah at the Mizpah, signing off and sayonara.